Let's be honest, how many amazing AI agents have you built that are currently just in Jupyter notebooks, still existing within local Python scripts, or even worse, never make it out of those default web UIs? AI agents are great in isolation and they work well in default web UI, but the moment you try to integrate them into your actual production application, some kind of front end or a back end, everything seems to fall apart. They don't fit. The problem isn't your agent, it's how it's architected. Monolithic AI scripts don't really play nicely with modern production systems or systems that you already have that exist. Today, we're going to fix that. We'll build an AI system designed from day one to be integrated. It's going to be a distributed team of specialists that your existing app can actually talk to. So, in this demo series, we're going to be building a course creator. It's an AI agent system that will plug directly into your standard web front end. Behind this simple UI, there's a whole squad of AI agents working. First is a researcher agent who finds the facts. Then is a judge agent who is surprisingly picky. It evaluates those facts in a loop until they're good enough. Once the judge is happy, it passes everything to the content builder agent, and that one writes the final course, which then streams back to our user. We're using Google's Agent Development Kit, or ADK for short, to build these specialized brains using patterns like loop agent and sequential agent. Finally, we're going to be using Agent2Agent Protocol, or A2A for short, to let them talk to each other over standard web protocols. This just means that all of our agents are microservices. Your app knows already how to talk to different microservices. Let's look at the researcher first. In ADK, it's simple. Give it a model, Gemini 2.5 for example, and a tool, Google Search. Its instruction is focused. Find data, summarize it, done. Now let's take a look at the judge. This is crucial. If you're building automated workflows, you can't have agents replying with maybe or it depends. You need hard data. ADK lets us force a contract using Pydantic. We define a judge feedback model that must return a literal pass or fail. It's essentially type safety, but for your AI. We attach this output schema to our agent, and it's reliable now. It's an API that happens to speak English internally. But do they work? We don't guess, we test. The ADK has a built-in playground that allows us to do this. I can feed the judge some terrible research I just made up and verify it fails me with structured JSON. It's much easier to debug this now than when it's buried in a massive workflow. So to recap, we built focused agents with single responsibilities. We use Pydantic schemas to force reliable, structured output from our judge. And we verified them individually before trying to wire them together. So now that our team is hired, we need to give them a way to talk to each other without us constantly mediating. Bye for now.